Hey everyone, I'm doing some family Halloween camping at a KOA in Virginia. Here is our site. It was very spacious and one of the more private sites. Our youngest kiddo had a vision in mind and he decorated our site. It turned out very nice. We spent less than $17 for these decorations at the Dollar Tree. We also had some solar lights that we hung up and we brought those from home. Here are some of the decorations, the Halloween decorations at the registration office, the bathhouse, and the store area. I have to admit, we were having so much fun doing the activities together and trick-or-treating that I didn't do much recording, so sorry about that. They were having a 75% off sale in the KOA store, so I scored this punny shirt for $3. So this is the KOA in Fredericksburg, Virginia, and as you can see, they have actual rooms for showers. So you can go in here, come in here, close the door, and boom, you have a whole private shower room. I haven't seen that before. Like I said, usually it's one of those things where it's not an actual room. Pretty cool. They had barrel rides for the kids, as well as a crafts room or rec room where everyone could paint rocks and color Halloween themed coloring pages and pumpkins. Here are a few of the pictures of the rec room. There were a lot of people in there, so out of respect for their privacy, I only took pictures of these specific areas. Here's a nice little pond with a small dock. They did have catch and release fishing in this pond, so that was cool. Woo. We ended our night with a nice fire and some adult beverages that were much needed. That'll do it for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Have a good one, everybody.